Hello investors, welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody had a great November, but now it's time for December's top penny stock picks. These are penny stocks that are going to have either phase 1, 2, or 3 data, PDUFA data. These are FDA approvals on drugs that are going to be looked at this month, and these are things that can cause a stock to rise up or tremendously go down very quickly, depending on the news. So you could gain 50 or 100% gain, or make a loss of 50 or 100% depending on the news, and especially the volume that happens with these types of pushes. So these penny stocks, you have to invest at your own risk, but they're very they could potentially be rewarding, or you could lose a lot with them. But let's get into this list and see what December has to bring to us. Before we get into the video, guys, make sure you smash that like button for me. Last month we had 84 likes right there, as you can see. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so you get notified every time I upload a new video. I make videos about penny stocks, investing, dividend investing, and growth, and just all types of stock ideas. So if you guys are interested in that, make sure you subscribe and stay up to date. Alright guys, so the number one pick, this is the first pick for December that I have on my list, is going to be CYTK. Currently CYTK is trading at $9.67. As you can see, this is the drug right there that is being looked at, and it is going to be a phase 2 data, and it's going to be on December 5th 2019. Phase 3 trial to be initiated in 2020. So the phase 2 responder and subgroup analysts to be presented at an international on December 5th 2019. So right now we're going to have phase 2 data, and phase 3 data is coming out in 2020. But let's take a look at the charts and see what are the potentials for this. Okay guys, so as you can see, it's currently trading at $9.67. The support area that I see for myself is going to be around this area right here, about the $8. $8 range is going to be our support, in my opinion. And then our resistance area with positive news and good volume obviously would be around this $11 area. So the resistance and support is going to be between $8 and $11 that I see. And if those areas get passed with good volume and obviously positive data from the phase 2 data that is coming in December 5th, this could potentially go up or down if the news is bad. But that is the resistance area that I see between that $7 or $8, $8 and $11 right there area. That is a pretty good jump. If you think about it, right now it's at $9.60, so that's $1.40 up, which is about 14%, close to 15%, maybe a little bit more. That is a nice gain right there that you can make on this stock. Okay, the second pick for December is going to be ticker symbol SAVA. It's currently trading at $1.48. It's the Alzheimer's disease right there. The drug that is being looked at is going to be PTI-125. This drug is going to be a phase 2 data also on December 5th. The phase 2A data to be presented at the CTAD on December 5th at 8:15 a.m. PT. Phase 2B data due fourth quarter of 2020. That is really cool, actually, that they show you guys the exact time. It says 8:15 a.m. PT. So that's actually even they're actually giving you an exact time, because usually we have to guess, depending, it's going to happen in the afternoon around, noon maybe, or at the close or something. So this is really good. We have a heads up, it's going to happen right before the open. Okay, so the charts for this one, I like this one a lot, actually. The support area that I see is going to be around that $1.10 area. Closer to that $1 range, but that is amazing. And then the resistance, obviously right now we're kind of at a resistance area, so this one would obviously positive news and good volume. This one it's infinite, there's no really resistance area for it to get blocked by. So with volume, this could push up really high. It could go past $2 if it wanted to, with good volume, obviously. So all it's going to take is some good volume, some positive data to come out on that date, and this one could go flying and soaring up. So this one definitely I want to keep an eye on. This is probably one of my top picks for the month. Okay, number 3 for December is going to be ticker symbol FBIO. Currently it's trading at $2.03. The drug that's going to be looked at is going to be MB-107. It's going to be a phase 1-2. So phase 1-2 presented at ASH December 7, 2019 between 5:30 p.m. and 7:30 p.m. Eastern time, and that's going to be on December 7th. So that's another one right there that's going to give us the exact time, which I really enjoy when they give you the time, because you know what's going to be coming up. So and also we're going to kind of link FBIO and the next one MBIO, because they're kind of linked together. MBIO is trading at $3.13, and it's the same drug right there, as you can see, MB-107. Same one. It's going to be phase -1-2, and it's going to be presented at the same time. It's all connected. So FBIO and MBIO are connected. These two are going to be very eyes are going to be on it. So this one we're going to check out together. So let's check out the charts for FBIO. Okay, so here are the charts, guys. The support area and that I see right now is going to be around that $1 range, about $1.10, maybe $1.20. Resistance area is actually where it's currently at, about $2 range. I feel like if we can pass this $2 range, you know, with obviously good volume and good positive news that comes out, if the news is positive and everything goes well, this resistance area past that $2 could fly up. I mean, we could see potentially a 40-50% gain on this one. As you can see right here, when I had data, it went from about $1.60 to about $2.47. That's about what, 140% gain right there. That's amazing, you know. So this could potentially fly up to around the $3 range if, you know, we get positive news and good volume, but it also could crash down below that $1 area. Right now we're having a slow uptrend since pretty much the October time period. It's been going up. It's went up about what, maybe like 50% almost, a little bit more than 50% gain. So this one definitely something to keep an eye on. Okay, so the next stock we're going to be looking at is going to be ticker symbol ATNM. Currently that stock is trading at 27 cents per share. It's going to be right there for the drug IOMAB-B. This one is going to be a phase 3 data. We like phase 3 data, so of course. This one is going to be on December 7, 2019. The phase 3 data is due at ASH on December 7, 2019 at 5:30 p.m. Eastern time. Once again, I really enjoy when they give us the time period, because then we can, you know, we know when we're going to expect it. This one has a very beautiful setup actually for me right here. I really enjoy this one. I feel like the support area is built right there around that 21 cents area. As you can see, that's where it's kind of been like sitting for a long time. Resistance area obviously is going to be around this area right here, which is about 40 cents, I believe, the 40 cents area. So that's, you know, that right there, that's almost like what, 60-70% gain right there with volume. Obviously, as you can see, when it has higher volume, it can make tremendous moves up or down with positive news or negative news. You know, it's had negative news right here, went from 54 cents to about 29 cents, lost half of its value right there. And right here went from 20 cents to about 35 cents, which gained almost half of its value right there. So this is one to keep an eye out as well. Be careful trading it because it's very dangerous, very low price. Okay, the next stock on our list is going to be ticker symbol TROV. It's currently trading at $1.43. It's for acute myeloid leukemia right there, and that is the drug name right there. And it's going to be a phase 1-2. Phase 1-2 presented at ASH December 7th, 2019 at 2:15 p.m. Eastern time. Once again, they literally give us the time when it's going to be happening so we can expect it. And now let's take a look at the charts. So as you guys can see, we kind of have like a built support area right here that's around that $1.30, $1.40 area, you know, around the $2. With good volume, obviously, this could pass that $2 range. We're currently trading at $1.43. So with positive news or negative news, this has a resistance area between about $1.20 and $2.30, $2.40 area. But obviously, with good volume and positive data, this could fly up, you know, past the $3 range. There's opportunity for over 100% gain on this one, depending on what happens with the data that comes out, you know, on that date. So this is another one to keep an eye out on, but not one of my favorites. Okay, second to last right here, we're going to have ticker symbol APTO, currently trading at $2.71. The drug that's being looked at is APTO-253. It's going to be a phase 1B data to be presented during ASH December 2019. So this is going to be definitely something to be looking out for. I like this one by the charts I'm going to show you right now. It has a nice, you know, resistance and support area. So look at this beautiful chart right here that I have. So support area, I'm going to say it's going to be around that close to $2 range. And right now we're on an uptrend. We've been on an uptrend since about October. It's went from about $2 to close to $2.71 currently. Support area, I feel like we're creating a support area at the moment, and I feel like if this can pass that $3 range, this can fly. So with positive data on this one, if we have good news and some really good volume, as you can guys see the volume at the bottom of the chart, with good volume, this could go up very, you know, quickly. And if it passes that $3 range, we don't have a resistance anymore. So past that $3, it can go up, you know, as long as it gets pushed. So this one, I like the trend up that it has right now for the last couple months right here since the $2 range. It's trending up slowly, but once again, you guys got to be careful because you guys know that sometimes these penny stocks get hyped up and they trend up before the news, and then once the news hits, the stock can go down because it was just hyped up, and they're selling the news pretty much. So even with positive news, it doesn't guarantee that the price of the stock is going to go up or down, or up if that's what you want, because people just might already have priced in that value, that price. So it doesn't go up, it just stays the same, or it goes down because everybody's getting out of the stock at that point. Guys, the last stock that we're going to be looking at for this video for the beginning half of December. Obviously, I will be making a video for the middle of December, and I might even do an end of December penny stock picks. So this is just the beginning of December. So make sure you, like I said, you stay subscribed to the channel so you guys get updated every time I make new videos about penny stocks or just stocks in general. And don't forget to smash that like button for me, like we said in the beginning of the video. So CRIS, it's currently trading at $1.80. The drug that is being looked at is right there, as you can read. It's going to be a phase 1B data, and this is phase 1 safety data due at ASH December 2019. Let's take a look at the charts. Here's the charts. So the support area that I see, in my opinion, is going to be around that $1.40 range, about $1.40. That is the support area that I see. The resistance area that I see is going to be around that $2.35 area, so about $2.35. So that's a 50% gain, or 50-cent gain right there. Obviously, we have to wait for the data and see what happens on the news. Positive data, positive news, volume. There's a lot of things that have to kind of line up together in order for the stock to go up. It doesn't just, if we get positive news, it doesn't just mean the stock's going to go up. You have to consider many different outcomes, so you guys need to make sure that you are doing your own studies when you're trading penny stocks. I'm not a financial advisor, like you guys know, so I'm just showing you guys these penny stocks that have approvals. I'm not saying you should trade any of these. You're supposed to do your own research. Make sure you listen to the calls, do your own trading. I'm not telling anybody to trade any of these. I'm just showing you guys some of the penny stocks that have data coming out with news, in December, and these are just things you guys can look at and decide for yourself what you're going to do. If you feel lucky or anything like that, and you can trade at your own risk. You're trading with your own money, so don't trade with real money if you don't know what you're doing. Do some penny stock trading on paper trading accounts where it's fake money, so you guys aren't going to be losing any crazy amount of money on these penny stocks. So I wish everybody luck. Leave a comment below. How have you been doing with penny stocks? What penny stocks have been doing well for you? And leave a comment below if you have any stocks that I didn't talk about in this video. Make sure you smash that like button for me. Let's get 100 likes on this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so you get updated every time I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys next time.